Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, you have studied the lesson Peace and Harmony. In this lesson, you read the story of animals who were friendly and lived happily together in the forest. They roamed together all the jungle and played together. All the animals enjoyed with music and dancing together. All the animals enjoyed musical evenings every day by singing and dancing together. Do you know who were their guests? The moon and stars are the guests of honors for their musical evenings. Children, how did they invite? Do you think? Children, do you invite your friends? We invite our friends and relatives for many occasions. Why do we invite them? Because we want to share our happy moments with them. We invite them by giving invitation. Children, let us learn how to write an invitation. It is one of the minor discourses for you. Okay? Come, let's learn. What is an invitation? It is a piece of communication to somebody known that they are invited to some occasion, events, celebrations, birthdays or marriages, inaugurations, public meetings, etc. Children, invitations are of two types. They are formal or informal. Children, formal invitations are professional. These are related to any institution or organization or public related programs. You are studying in the school and school related programs like annual day celebrations is a formal invitation. Formal invitation also includes sports day celebration, science exhibition. Children, we celebrate national festivals in our schools. We invite local politicians, officials as chief guests for these programs. This comes under formal invitations. Children, formal invitation also includes campaigning like Haritaharam. Children, you have seen formal invitations. Now let us see what are informal invitations. Informal invitations are personal. They are related to you and your family members. Occasions, celebrations like birthday celebrations, wedding invitation, housewarming celebration, etc. Depending upon the program, we have to give invitation. If it is a personal, we can invite our friends or relatives. If it is a professional, you can invite famous movie star or sports star or any politician or any eminent personalities. Invitation could be to one or many. Children, now let us see how to write an invitation. There are 6 important features that you should follow while writing an invitation. First one, you should write invitation in capital letters on the topmost. Name of the program or organization should be mentioned. Children, if you want to celebrate Teachers' Day, you have to write Teachers' Day celebrations. You should start writing an invitation with a phrase suitable for the occasion. That is, inviting phrase. We generally start writing like, we cordially invite you, I cordially invite you, you are cordially invited to, we are happy to invite you. Details of the program should be mentioned clearly, which includes date, time, venue, chief guest or any other programs. Write the name of the inviter at the end and give a little design or draw borders so that our invitation looks attractive. Children, these are the features of invitation. Invitation, name of the program, inviting phrase, details of the program, name of the inviter and a border around the contents. This is the format of an invitation. Children, you have seen the features of an invitation and the format also. Now come, let us practice an invitation for this question. You wanted to celebrate your younger brother's first birthday. Prepare an invitation to invite your friends and relatives. Include program details like date, time, venue, etc. Now for this question, let us write an invitation. Children, here is the answer. You have to start writing with invitation on the topmost, followed by name of the program. Here it is first birthday celebrations, and next inviting phrase. Here we have started like, I cordially invite you all to attend my younger brother's first birthday, and next giving the program details, date 5th August, time 7 p.m, venue Swagat Grand Hotel, Tarnaka, and the programs magic show, games. At the end, name of the inviter. Here it is invited by, you have to write your name, and we have put all the contents in a big box, and a little design you can do it so that invitation becomes attractive. Let us write one more invitation. The question is, imagine you are the headmaster. You are planning to celebrate annual day. Prepare an invitation using the following details: date, time, venue, chief guest, programs, vote of thanks. Now children, let us write invitation. Here is the answer. Invitation, annual day celebrations. We cordially invite you all to attend our school 10th annual day celebrations. Date, 10th August. Time, 5 p.m. Venue, Naren Gardens. Chief guest, Mallareddy. Programs, speeches, followed by cultural programs, and vote of thanks, headmaster. Here the inviter is HM and staff. Children, you have seen two types of invitations. Now it is the time for you to practice writing invitation for these questions. Imagine you are sports secretary of your school. You are celebrating sports day in your school. Prepare an invitation. Imagine you are the head boy, girl. Your school is planning to conduct Haritaharam program. Prepare an invitation. Include the details like date, time, chief guest, etc. Imagine you are the head boy or girl. You are planning to celebrate Teachers' Day. Prepare an invitation. Give details of the program like date, time, venue, programs, etc. Children, keep practicing invitation. Invitation is one of the minor discourses for you. Okay?